A UN team, as we had mentioned to you, UN team led by Vladanka Andreeva, the resident coordinator for the United Nations in Azerbaijan, visited the Karabakh region of Azerbaijan yesterday. It was a day trip, but they got to see quite a bit. The mission was aimed to assess the situation on the ground and identify the humanitarian needs of both the people remaining and those who are on the move. The mission visited the city of Karendy, where the team met with people and community representatives and was able to see firsthand for themselves the situation regarding health and education. In parts of the city visited by the team, they saw no damage to civilian public infrastructure, including hospitals, schools and housing, or cultural or religious infrastructure. The mission saw that also saw that the government of Azerbaijan was preparing for the resumption of health services and some basic utilities in the city.